Good morning, class. Today we will talk about the Polya's four-step problem-solving strategy. This is a systematic way of solving problems, especially in mathematics, but it can also apply in real-life situations. First is you need to understand the problem. Before solving, we need to carefully read and analyze what the problem is asking. Identify the important information, the given facts, and what we are trying to find. Second is devise a plan. After understanding, we think of strategies to solve it. For example, we can use drawing, making equation, and checking or breaking the problem into smaller parts. Number 3 is carry out the plan. This is the part where we actually solve the problem using the strategy we choose. Lastly, we have reviewed the solution. After solving, we check our answer if it makes sense and if it really answered the question. Sometimes review will help us spot errors or even find a simple way of solving. So now I have one sample here, the Fibonacci sequence. So what's the Fibonacci sequence? The Fibonacci sequence is a series of numbers where each number is found by adding the two numbers before it, like this. Just like this. Every next number are the sum of the two previous numbers, like 1 plus 1 equals 2, then 2 plus 1 equals 3, then 3 plus 2 equals 5, then 5 plus 3 equals 8, then 8 plus 5 equals 13, then next is 13 plus 8 equals 21, then 21 plus 13 equals 34, which is the F sub 9. Now, this will be the pattern with disregard to our formula. Our number 1 here is the F sub 1, then the another one is the F sub 2, then the 2 is the F sub 3, and the 3 is the F sub 4, then the 5 is F sub 5, and so on. Then, the Fibonacci sequence, this is our formula, which is the F sub n minus F sub n minus 2 plus F sub n minus 1. Then our given is the F sub 9, which is the 34. So the next step is we're going to put the 9 here, then copy the formula, then we're going to change the n, then copy the minus 2 and minus 1. So the next step is we're going to bring down the F sub 9 here, then copy again the equal signs, then we're going to minus this one. 9 minus 2 equals 7, then 9 minus 1 equals 8. So class, the last steps, we're going to bring down the F sub 9, just like what I've said earlier, then we're going to copy again the equal signs. Then our F sub 7 is equivalent to 13, then plus F sub 8, which is the 21. Then we're going to add the 13 plus 21, it is equal to 34. So now, this will be the final answer.